wanted to do this video. The lighting is not the best, but hey, I can work with it. I wanted to do a video today on some things that I bought from online and at the store. Alright, so the first item is from Sephora. And this is actually right now my favorite setting powder, translucent powder. It's for Kat Von D. I don't know if you guys ever tried it. I would highly recommend it. I did have different other brands that I bought, and I feel like this one always works the best. And then this goodie bag is from Ulta. It's a Wet n Wild eyeliner, and it's about like $3–4. I would highly recommend this eyeliner because it has a really like thin ending to the eyeliner, and it helps you, especially if you're learning how to do like the wing eyeliner, or you don't want to go all crazy on the eyeliner thick. This is definitely a eyeliner that I would recommend, and again, it's really affordable, about $3–4. I do buy it either at Target or Ulta. Ulta because I have that rewards card and I get like points when I buy more stuff there, so I like buying it there. And yeah, I would highly recommend this product. Another items I bought, it was a Nyx Pigment Primer. This is just for regular eyeshadow. I'll be honest with you guys, I just started wearing like eyeshadows and getting more into detail on my eyes, because I felt like before when I would do eyeshadows on my face, like it wouldn't go with me. Either I wasn't doing it correctly or I just didn't like care about it too much, so I kind of started purchasing a bunch of different items and kind of messing when I do have time on the weekend with my eye stuff. I did read a lot of good reviews on this. It's about, I want to say like $5 or $6. And then I did notice that there was like a regular one, and then I got the glitter one. Sorry guys about my nails. I have not had time to go get them. I'm a super like nails freak, but I'll be honest, I have not had time, so excuse my nails. And then I bought the NYX glitter. It's in color GLI. It's like a gray, like a chrome color. It's about $6.49, $6, somewhere around there. It's not really pricey, and it is a good glitter. I would highly recommend this one. And then the last item is a Morphe palette. So I personally never liked going for like dark colors because I was always scared to mess up or for it to look funny. But then I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it, whatever. If it comes out good, it comes out good. If it comes out bad, too bad. I'll learn obviously as I'm going. I never been such a huge fan of eyeshadows, but I'm starting to kind of get the hang of it and kind of actually liking it and getting the concept of doing the eyeshadows. The one I got was the Warm It Up 35W. It was around $24, which is not bad at all. I thought it was gonna be like $40, but it ended up being a good price. And I want to show you guys the colors, and these are the colors I got. They had like different obviously they had different palettes with different colors, but personally I like this one because there's a lot of light colors that I know I will use, because again, like it sucks when you buy a palette and you don't use like all the colors. So I would highly recommend this one for anyone that's just starting to do makeup or wants to play around with makeup but is scared to go like for the dark colors like I was. I would recommend it, and the price is really good as well. Okay, so this next item I'm going to be talking about, it is one of my favorite products of makeup that I have. So it is the Frankie Rose foundation. I got it in color, I think olive. Yeah, olive. It is $32. So this is it's a pretty good sized bottle. And I did buy this at Planet Beauty because I did have people asking me on my Instagram where I bought it because they can't find it like at any store, Sephora, Ulta. I did buy it at Planet Beauty in Ontario Mills, or you can order it online as well and use anybody's Instagram's like coupon code, and then that way you can get a discount. Okay, so this item I actually haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. Well, you know what I mean, like it's not open package where I seen it. It is the Sweetheart Lashes. It is my first time trying it. Let me just go ahead and open this. I don't think I'm gonna be able to open it without any like knife. Okay, yeah. It was $22.99 because I did use a coupon code from, I believe it was the Only Bee on Instagram. She does have a coupon code in the bottom that you can use, and I think on their website you do as well. So, oh my god, the packaging is really cute. Of course, golden pink, my favorite. And it says false lashes, cruelty free, handmade. Let's see. Ooh, fancy. It comes like in this plastic. Oh my god, sorry guys, my nails. Let me show you guys. Let me take it out of the package. Ooh, they look really pretty. They're not all crazy. It's not like a crazy look. To be honest, they're very simple. It's like a wispy look. And I like them. I'll probably wear them tomorrow since it is Cinco de Mayo tomorrow. And we can do like these eyelashes for show. Cute. Okay. I'll probably take a picture and post it on Instagram, let you guys know how I like them. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me for all the updates or anything you know that I post. And then, oh my god, sorry guys, I was supposed to, give me 1 minute. Okay, so this is my last item that I bought online, because like I said, I bought some stuff online and some at stores. I am extremely excited. Like right now, it's my #1 probably like favorite thing, you know. And I want to share with you guys because I know like a lot of people always either are scared or they're just hesitant about trying this little item. It did come in the package. I already opened it. I just wanted to show you guys the package that it came in. And I was really surprised because actually the online items I bought, like the eyelashes and then this item, they're here like in 2 days, like in 2 to 3 days. I'm thinking maybe they're local and that's why I got them really fast. But I was like, what? I even took like a few days to get it out of my mailbox, to be honest. I got like the delivery confirmation and I'm like, oh, I'll just get it after. I'll just get it after. But really, it came really fast. So I've never tried eye contacts, and I've been wanting to try them, but I've always been so scared because I hear like super scary stories, and I don't know, I'm so weird. Every time like I want to try something new, I like Google it and like do reviews, and I always tend to like look at the bad things that would happen to you instead of like, hey, just try it, you know, have your own experience and that's it. It is what it is. But I am extremely happy. I bought eye contacts from Pretty Fabulous. They're on Instagram as well. I do have them on right now. Their color Hazel. Let me get a little more closer, but I don't want you guys to look at my I guess face like really close. But yeah, I got these eye contacts. I know like a lot of people are scared to put them on or what's gonna happen. I would highly recommend them for anybody. They're very easy to put. They don't bug me at all during the day. They're very comfortable. I don't feel any difference. The first or 2 days, obviously there's eye contacts in your eyes, and they're super easy to take off as well. All you need is eye solution and like the containers. You can obviously find that anywhere, Target, Walmart, 7-Eleven, wherever. I would highly recommend these eye contacts. It did come with just like a little card that says this. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. Coco Chanel. Yes. Totally agree. And they came in this little box. It comes, I'm gonna open it for you guys so you guys can see how it comes. Of course I'm wearing them already, so they're not gonna be in here, but this is a package that it comes in. So obviously make sure you buy eye solution in the containers prior to purchasing them, because you are gonna need somewhere to put them. Wash your hands for each contact that you put on, because obviously being clean, your eyes are everything. You have to have clean hands. Girls, I would highly recommend for you to try them as your first set, and then replace them. It says about every 3 months. I'm gonna replace it probably like a month and a half, 2 months, because again, it is my eyes. I would like die if anything ever happens to my eyes. And these are all the items I have for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did. I promise I'll try to upload more videos at least once a week. Is just during the week it's so hectic for me because I do have a full-time job. I am a mom, so literally my days are gone like super like this by the time I want to record in the night. Like I said, I'm super tired. And then on the weekend, past these weekends, we've had a lot of things going on. I do honestly sometimes just want to get my camera, get my phone and record whatever I'm doing or things that you guys will find interesting. But I'm like a total like I don't want to say perfect, but I want things to look good for you guys, so when you guys watch my videos, it's not all like crazy moving or things like that. I am little by little buying things to make my videos better. Right now I finally did buy a stand. I bought a lens. I bought had like the recording to record. I'm not wearing it right now because I do have to buy an adapter. But again, hopefully I can record more on the future, and I do want to show you guys different crazy things that I do. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you like. I am always posting different outfits, different outfit ideas that maybe you guys will like. My Instagram name is going to be in the bottom of this video, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow, and you know, if you guys want to say hi, whatever, go ahead and do that. I would love to see that, and have a beautiful day.